What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about NatWest's business account. NatWest Business Bank Account offers a comprehensive range of services and features designed to support businesses in managing their finances effectively and growing their operations. With no minimum monthly charge, dedicated relationship management, and free accounting software, this account provides a flexible and supportive bank solution for businesses of all sizes. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and features. Business Bank Account. The NatWest Business Bank Account offers a comprehensive range of services and features designed to support businesses in managing their finances effectively and growing their operations. One of the key benefits of this account is that it has no minimum monthly charge, allowing businesses to only pay for what they use. This flexibility is particularly useful for businesses with fluctuating cash flows or those that are still establishing themselves. Additionally, the account provides 24/7 banking access, allowing customers to manage their accounts online, over the phone, or through the mobile app. This level of accessibility is ideal for businesses that need to make transactions or check their accounts at any time. Business Savings Accounts. Businesses can take advantage of NatWest's business savings accounts to earn interest on their savings and separate their nest egg from their main business bank account. Each account has a specific interest rate, showing the returns your money will make over time. This can be particularly beneficial for businesses with excess cash that they do not need immediately. The accounts offer flexibility over deposits, allowing businesses to pay in a lump sum upfront or make regular deposits as they go. This flexibility can help businesses manage their cash flow and manage the most of their savings. Business Cards. NatWest's business cards offer a range of features and benefits designed to help businesses manage their cash flow and make transactions efficiently. One of the key benefits is the ability to control your cards, set withdrawal limits, update the card status in real time, and get full visibility of every withdrawal and deposit from the online portal. This level of control is particularly useful for businesses that need to manage multiple cards or have specific requirements for card usage. Additionally, the cards offer contactless payments, making it quick and simple to make transactions. Business Loans and Finance. NatWest offers a range of business loans and finance options to help businesses grow and develop. One of the key options is the commercial mortgage, which provides financing for businesses looking to purchase or refinance property. This can be particularly beneficial for businesses that need to secure a property for their operations or want to release equity from an existing property. Additionally, the bank provides trade finance solutions for business involved in international trade. This can help businesses manage the risk and complexities associated with international trade, ensuring that they receive payment for their goods and services. Mobile Banking. NatWest's mobile banking app provides a convenient and secure way to manage your business finances on the go. The app offers features and benefits similar to online banking, but with added features such as a biometric approval and secure payment authorization. This level of accessibility is ideal for businesses that need to make transactions or check their accounts at any time. The app allows businesses to bank from anywhere, making it easy to manage their finances regardless of their location. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One potential drawback of NatWest Business Account is that it may decline applications based on unfavorable personal credit history. If the person signing for the business account has a bad credit history, there is a high chance that NatWest will not approve the account. This is because bank views individuals with bad credit as high risk and liability. To increase the chance of having account approved, it is recommended to have another qualified individual with good credit sign up for the account. Another potential drawback is that NatWest may decline business account applications due to the nature of the business or industry. Certain industries such as gambling, iGaming, and adult services are considered high risk and may lower the chance of account approval. Additionally, businesses with complex administrative structure and multiple layers of owners may also be viewed as high risk and may be declined. A third potential drawback is that NatWest Business Account may not offer the flexibility that some businesses need. For example, businesses that require instant access to their funds may find that NatWest savings accounts, which offer fixed term deposits, do not meet their needs. Similarly, businesses that need to make international payment may find that NatWest's currency savings accounts do not offer the best exchange rates or fees. NatWest's business account offers a comprehensive range of services and features designed to support businesses in managing their finances effectively and growing their operations. By considering the potential drawbacks and carefully evaluating the account's benefits, businesses can make an informed decision about whether NatWest's business account is the right choice for their financial needs. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.